What is namespace? In Python, every name introduced has a place where it lives and can be hooked for. This is known as namespace. It is like a box where a variable name is mapped to the object place. Whenever the variable is sorted out, this box will be searched to get the corresponding object. Again, I repeat you. In Python, every name introduced has a place where it lives and can be hooked for. This is known as namespace. It is like a box where a variable name is mapped to the object place. Whenever the variable is searched out, this box will be searched to get the corresponding object. Thank you.